Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a very important problem using the Newton-Raphson method. The question here is, using Newton-Raphson method, find the root that lies near x is equal to 4.5 of the equation tan x equals x correct to 4 decimal places. See, this is an important numerical methods problem for engineering mathematics and is commonly useful for engineering students across various universities in India. In this video, I will take you through the complete step-by-step procedure, including how to use the scientific calculator for calculations, both the FX 991 ES Plus second edition and also the latest FX 991 CW Casio calculator. So please watch the video till the end and follow along with me. Don't just watch, practice. The more you practice, the more your confidence increases. Okay, so don't miss any step, because understanding the procedure will help you, solve similar Newton-Raphson problems in the examinations. And also, if you are new to this channel, then please do share these videos with your friends and classmates and study groups as much as possible, so that each and everyone gets benefited from this ultimate resource. And also, in the end, don't forget to subscribe. So let's move on to the solution of this question. So again, we have the problem here. So what does the Newton-Raphson method says? So also, please, in my previous videos, I have also dedicated playlist for numerical methods, so please do refer other problems on numerical methods which are very important for exams. Okay, now what we do first, if you have been following me, first what we do, we write a function. So function is f of x is equal to tan x minus x. Okay, this is a function. Next, we find differentiation of this f dash of x. So we have f dash of x always in Newton-Raphson. We will see the formula now. And as I told you, if you have seen my previous lecture, then obviously you know how to do this. So first we write f of x, then differentiate this. F dash of x is what? Tan x is secant square x minus 1. That is obviously f dash of x is equal to, as you are aware of the formula, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square. So this will be what? Tan square x. Simple maths. Okay, fine. We have f of x, f dash x. Next is we find the initial approximation, and there are no efforts in this problem because they have already given the approximation root lies near x is equal to 4.5. The initial approximation is given here already. So we have initial approximation, otherwise we need to find it. For that, again, please do refer the previous video. Approximation x naught. As you know, the initial approximation lies between a negative and a positive sign change. So you can find if you want. Okay, but since the given 4.5, we'll take as it is 4.5 x naught. Now, what to do next? We find the iterations. So the Newton's Raphson formula, the first iteration, x1 equals, what's that? X naught minus f of x naught over f dash of x naught. That's why we find here f dash of x naught. So we have this, one is f of x, other is f dash of x. And we have also the initial approximation here. Now, this is the Newton-Raphson formula. But we'll see, you can keep on putting the values here and get the answer. But we will try to make the process more faster. So fast that if you practice the method or the easiest trick which I am showing you, you can do the problem in not less than 4 to 5 minutes. That's all. Okay, so we have this here. So what we'll do is now, see what does it mean? X naught means what? Basically, this will be 4.5 minus f of 4.5 over f dash of 4.5. Correct. That means this will be, again, you write it as 4.5 minus, what is the f of 4.5? f of x is tan x minus x. So tan of 4.5 minus 4.5 over f dash of x, tan square x. So tan square 4.5 and it's solved. So it's tedious process. So I'll show the fastest trick here how to do it. Okay, so I will be using first the scientific calculator FX991S+. Before that, to solve such problems, we will make a simple function here based on the problem. Okay, how? See, we need to find this, right? Okay, but this one step you show in the examination so that the examination gives you the full marks. Okay, so just to show, we are not calculating here, I'll show you the fastest way. But before that, I will make a small formula here. See, the always for the formula, no? Check here, x will always be there minus. What is that? F of x by f dash of f of x naught by f dash of x naught is the initial x1 first iteration. No, x will always be there minus. What is f of x? Tan x minus x. I'll write here tan x minus x over what's f dash is tan square x. Now this whatever I have formed the equation, I will use this to automate and get the solution first in the calculator. Okay, this is what we have here. So what I'll do in the calculator, the first one is FX991ES+ second edition Casio. See, best practice always reset the calculator. So on shift here 9 clear all is equal to AC. Yes, okay, I'll just do that. Now what I'll do, I will make this function. Before that, two things to taken care of. First, tan x minus s is what? It's trigonometric. So we need to change the calculator to what? Radian mode. Always be careful. So you go to shift mode and radian number 4. Okay, done. Next, up to 4 decimal places, best practice will, as they mentioned here, correct to 4 decimal places will arrange to 4 decimal. How? Again mode, again yeah, shift mode, there is 6 number fix 4. Done. Now we are ready to use the calculator. So what I will do, I will not put here to see 4.5 minus tan of 4.5. Instead of doing this now, I make a simple formula. In all the formulas, in all the problems, x will be as it is, only this changes according to question, f of x and f dash x. That's all. Okay, please refer my previous problem. I have solved the same way as in here. Now I will make the function here. See, alpha x minus, please follow the emulator here, fraction. So what's the equation? X minus tan x minus x over tan square x. Okay, so I'll input it here, the function. Okay, so tan is here alpha x minus alpha x over tan square means I'll put a bracket, then tan alpha x the whole square. Done. Only one time press CLC calc in FX991ES+ second edition. Okay. Now what's the value here? What is the initial approach? 4.5. So 4.5 equals to, so we get 4.4936. So first iteration is x1 equals 4.4936. Okay, let's underline this. Now the second iteration will be x2 is equal to similarly x1 minus f of x1 over f dash of x1. For this you need not do everything, simply write what is x1? 4.4936 minus f of 4.4936 over f dash of 4.4936. Now you do simply nothing here, just press equal to. See, when I press equal to, this gets told in the answer. Which one? 4.4936. Simply press equal to, then answer. Again equal to. We get 4.4934. How much? We get, that implies x2 is equal to 4.4934. We get x2. Okay. We'll underline this also. Similarly, we'll find x3. So x3 will be equal to, what's that? x2 minus, according to Newton-Raphson, f of x2 over f dash of x2. Okay, so this x3 is equal to. Now this will be again, what is x2? It's 4.4934 minus f of 4.4934 upon f dash of 4.4934. Again, do nothing, press, as I told you, when I press equal to, this value gets stored in answer. Simply press equal to and then answer equal to. We get again 4.49, that implies x3 is equal to 4.4934. Now you see both are same. So in both values are same, you can stop it here. Therefore, we can write the root is x is equal to 4.4934. That's the solution of this given question. Okay. This is the solution which I get for the above question using the calculator. It's fast and easy, right? Now, so as we have solved this using the FX 919 units per second edition, I will show the same process, this using the function by using the Casio 991 CW. That is latest model of Casio used in engineering colleges nowadays. Okay, many students have it. So watch carefully, the emulator is here. As we already know, the function is x minus tan x minus x over tan square x. Okay, you can check the emulator. So first, as always, we reset the calculator. So go to home, calculate, then go to settings, again go to reset and initialize all. Yes, done. Again, two important things. One is the radian mode and other is the 4 decimal places. Okay, so for that, again go to settings, go to calculator settings, input out, we go to calculator settings, then angle unit, then second one is radian. Okay, done. Again AC, again settings, shift to 4 decimal places, again calculator settings, number format, fix, and fix 1 2 3 4 will go to 4. Done. Okay, so we are ready to go now. Now see, entering the function is different in 919 CW. So watch very carefully. To enter the function, we press this f of x function button, then we need to define the function here. Go to down, define function. Okay, so what again I am telling you, see, go to the function button, AC, see, go to the function f of x, then define f of x. Okay, now here we have to write the function. What is the function? It's x minus tan x minus x over tan square x. Use the fractions properly. So x minus fraction tan of, it's x minus x over, again bracket, tan x bracket square. Done. Okay, then execute. So my function is stored in the f of x. Now we can find f of whatever values are given, f of 4.5, 4.4934, whatever. To do that, again go to function here, f of x, f of, what is first? 4.5, execute. See, you're getting 4.4936. Then again it's stored in answer here, answer is here, ANS above 7, again AC, again f of answer, execute 4.4934. Again, f of, again the function f of, again answer, execute 4.4934. Again, how many times you go after that, you will get the same answer. You go 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, 100 times, million times, you will the same answer, because the iteration stops here. And the exact root for the given problem, that is tan x minus x, is nothing but it is 4.4934. That's the perfect solution. So that's all. I hope you clearly understood this. So now see, only thing is practice here. Okay, so see, what is that? The key to mastering this numerical method is only what? Practicing regularly. So you need to practice here. Okay, so because very simple, the formula is very simple. Only you need to make the function in which your calculator you have and keep on automating the solution. That's all. Okay, that's how it is done. But again, practicing is very much important. If you don't practice, you won't get it. So please do practice other problems from the playlist and for other textbooks. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Okay, so till then, keep practicing, be confident, keep solving, keep learning, keep improving. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.